In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see sensitive content on X. So you can do this on both the mobile and the desktop version, but if you want to do it on mobile, we can't actually do it inside of the app. We have to go ahead and load up the web browser. So close out of the X app and open up any web browser, and then head over to x.com. Okay, so once you are on x.com on the web browser, it will prompt you to log in. So enter in your username and password, and then you'll be on the homepage of your X profile. From here, go to your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Then what you need to do is scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety. Then content you see, it will be the third one down. Click on that. Then here you've got display media that may contain sensitive content. You can go ahead and enable that, so make sure it's checked. It will be unchecked by default. After you've done that, refresh your apps. Maybe turn your phone off and on, reload the app, and you will then see sensitive content. So I hope that helped.